Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chamomile ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy chamomile ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in treating diabetes and lowers blood sugar levels. It also reduces inflammation and helps to treat insomnia. Very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of dry chamomile flowers. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this chamomile ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the chamomile has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the chamomile ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this chamomile ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To a mug like this, add half teaspoon of dry parsley. Parsley is rich in vitamin K that helps to clot the blood and contributes in bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which helps to reduce the risk of health conditions like diabetics, stroke, heart disease and cancer. Then add in a teaspoon of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces weight, treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin conditions. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps to treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fight bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then to this add 1 cup of hot water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. The flavors of the cinnamon and parsley has come together very well. After 5 minutes, open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. You can either strain this drink or chew the ingredients as you consume. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just half the lemon is more than sufficient. Lemon on the other hand boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. You can consume this drink as such or also you can add honey to it. It's totally optional. Give it a good mix and a fat melted drink is ready to consume. Drink this with a straw to avoid sensitivity and tooth enamel issues. Very simple to make and very effective. Have this drink first thing in the morning in empty stomach and be on a balanced diet throughout the day and you will observe a reduction in body weight in just few days. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this fat melted drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.